All right, we're on to question 10, which is a question involving subtracting and adding of decimals. And we have some brackets, so order of operations, you do need to know that the brackets come first. So we're going to start by adding these three numbers, just using a column method of addition. So I'll just write that below. So we have 4, 3, and place value obviously becomes really important here. So you have to make sure that your commas line up. And if there's not a value in a particular place, like in the tenths, hundreds, or thousand, you just need to put a 0 as a placeholder. It just assists you to make sure that you're adding the correct values together. So for example here, I need to put a 0 in the thousands because there's no 0 there, and I need to put a 0 above in the hundredths and thousandths. And we are adding, so just quickly from the right, is 2, 5 and 1 is 6, 9, 15, 18, 8, carry the 1, and then we've got the 7 and 4 is 11, 12. So it's 12,862. So that's basically the answer to what's inside the brackets. But then we have to do the final operation, which is subtract. So I'll just do that to the right. So we've got 15, 3, 4, and from that we're going to subtract the 12, 862. Okay, it's important to write out the operation just so you're sure, and put in a 0 as a placeholder there. And now we're going to start the subtraction process. 0 subtract 2 you can't do, so I have to borrow. So I borrow from the digit to the left. Okay, bring it down. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 3 minus 6 I can't do, so I have to borrow from the left. It becomes 2. 13 minus 6 is 7. 2 minus 8 I can't do, I have to borrow from the 5, so that becomes 12 minus 8, which is 4. Put the comma in. 4 minus 2 I can do, that's 2, and 1 minus 1 is 0, so it's 0. So we've got our final answer. Our final answer is just going to be 2, 4, 7, 8, and that's 2 marks.